we have learned the formula for the binomial expansion method. As we know that binomial expansion method only we can use where the difference is equal. It means if the difference are for the 10 years and one is missing or two is missing, then we can use the binomial expansion method. In last video we have learned how to expand the formula for the binomial expansion method. In today's video we have taken the questions related to the binomial expansion method. The years is given, that is 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022 and 2023. The value is given, that is 30, 50, one is missing, 120 and 150. As we know that we can calculate in binomial expansion method, we can calculate only the missing frequency, not for the between the years, as I will explain. So if we will say, let's say the value of y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. So we have to use in that such kind of the questions, we have to use y4, formula for y4. Suppose one more is 224 and this is 200, so that is y5. So the missing value is 1, giving value is 30, 50, 120, 150 and 200. We are to calculate the value of missing frequency. Firstly, we will write here y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So 1 minus y5 is the formula we have to use, that is y5 formula we have to use, because the last value is y5. We will use y5, that is y5 minus 5 divided by 1, y5 4. 5 2 ja 10, 5 4 ja 20 divided by 2, that is 10 by 3. 10 3 ja 30 divided by 3, that is 10 by 2. 10 2 ja 20 divided by 4, that is 5 by y1 minus y0 is equal to 0. Plus minus plus minus plus minus, that will be the formula for y minus 4. y5 is given 200 minus y4 value is given 150 plus 10, y3 value is given 120 minus 10, y2 value is not given. Okay, we can write in this form also, y5, y4, no problem at all. y2 is not given, not square this is the symbol of this. We can write in this form also. In this form also we can write this formula. Firstly, let me explain that y5 minus 5y4 plus 10y3 minus 10y2 plus 5y1 minus y0 is equal to 0. y5 plus minus plus minus plus minus. Okay, so writing this 200 minus 5 multiply by 150 plus 10 multiply 120 minus y2 value don't know, 5 multiply by 50 minus 30 is equal to 0. So just we have to solve this problem. We get the value of y2 because first one is 200 is plus value, minus 5 multiply 150, 5 multiply 150 is minus value, that is 750 plus 1200 plus value 120 multiply by 10, 1200 plus value minus 10 y2 plus 5 multiply 50, 250 is plus value minus 30 is minus value. So minus 10 y2 plus 870 is equal to 0. We have calculated, this is plus value, minus value, plus value, plus value. So plus value is 1650 and minus value is 780. So 1650 minus 780, that is 870. So minus 10y2, that is minus 870. So y2 minus to minus cancel. So 870 by 10. So the value of y2 is 87. So we can interpolate this missing frequency. The missing value will be having 87. So with the help of the binomial expansion method, if any value is missing, we can certainly, with the help of this, we can calculate the missing values over there. If 6 item is given, then also we can use this. Suppose our questions are like this. X 2021, X is 1921, 1931, 1941, 1951, 1961, 1971. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values over there. And data of population data is given. I may be having the real data for the population. Suppose the population data is given, age I have used in this 31.9. This data related with the 41, so I am writing the original data. 1941 data available, 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981, 1991. The population data is 31.9, 36.1, 43.9, 54.8, 68.3 and 84.6. These are the original data of the population of the census from 2041 to 2051. Suppose one is missing in this. What interpolation is over there? If we are to having the interpolation of this, suppose the one data is missing, suppose this data is missing. We are not having the knowledge of this data. Okay. So we have to interpolate the data. So this will be y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Y5 question we have done already. So 19,2001 data also we should take. So that will be having the value of y6, 84.6, and last 2001 data is available 102.7. So y6 is over. Suppose this data is not now by us. This is missing data. 58. This is missing data. We are to having the interpolate of this data. We cannot. One things you should learn. By the binomial method, we cannot interpolate for the 1965. We can't calculate for 1985 or 82. Only we can calculate one missing data. The class interval is equal. Then we can calculate the missing data. Otherwise, we cannot use this method. We can use another method. Later, we will discuss which method we can use. Here, total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 item is available. So y6, use 1 minus y6. So y6 minus 6 y5, 6 5 ja, so 15, y4 minus 20 y3 plus 15 y2 minus 6 y1 plus y0 is equal to 0. The formula for expansion of 1 minus y6, 6 divided by 1, that is 6, 6 5 ja, 30 divided by 2, that is 15, 15 4 ja, 60 divided by 3, that is 20, 20 multiplied by 3 divided by 4, that is 15, 15 multiplied by 2, 30 divided by 5, that is 6, 6 1 ja, 6 divided by 6, that is 0. Plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Okay. So y6 value 102.7 minus 6 multiply 84.6 plus 15 multiply 68.3. y3 don't know, 2y3, 20y3 plus 15 multiply by y2, 15 multiply 43.9. minus 6 multiplied by 36.1 plus 31.9 is equal to 0. We have put the value of y6, y5, y4, y3, y3 don't know, y2 value put, y1 value put, okay. Now first one is 102.7. So that is 102.7. That is plus value 102.7 plus value is over there. 6 multiply 84.6. 6 multiply 84.6 minus value 507.6. 15 multiply 68.3. 15 multiply 68.3 plus value 1024.5 minus 20 by 3. 15 multiply 43.9. 658.5. 36.1 multiplied by 6 minus value 216.6 plus 31.9. So solution 109.4 minus 20 by 3 is equal to 0. So minus 20 by 3, that is minus 1093.4, minus to minus cancel. So y3 1093.4 divided by 20. So this is 54.67. So that is the approximate value, not actual value. That is, we calculate with the help of this binomial expansion method. We can having the approximate values over there. So the y3 value will be 54.67. So with the help of this binomial expansion method, we can calculate the missing frequency very easily. One is missing. By putting the value in these equations, we can calculate very easily the missing frequencies over there. So this method is very useful for calculating missing values over there. One more question related to this, we can having very easy method is over there. Suppose the class interval is given, 6 class interval is given. One more, x 0 to 5 is given, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25 and 25 to 30 is given. Value is given 10, 22, 30, that missing 52 and 80. That may be given. We may be having descending or ascending, no problem. So this is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So formula 1 minus y raised to power 5, that is y5 minus 5y4 plus 10y3 minus 10y2 plus 5y1 minus y0 is equal to 0. The formula for this plus minus plus minus plus minus, okay. Putting the value, that is 80 minus 5 multiply by 52 plus y3 we are to calculate minus 10 multiply 30 plus 5 multiply 22 minus 10 is equal to 0. Very easily we can calculate the missing frequency. First one value is 80. 80 is plus value. 5 multiply 52 minus 260 plus 10 by 3 minus 300. 5 multiply 22 plus value 1110 minus 10 is equal to 0. We have to check 80 minus 5 multiply 52 plus 10 by 3 plus minus plus 10 by 3 is missing. Okay, minus 10 by 2 plus 5 multiply, okay, then 10 by 3 minus value is 380 is equal to 0. So 10 by 3 is equal to 380. So y3 value will be 380 divided by 10, that is 38. So this missing frequency will be 38. So with the help of this, we can having very easily interpolate the missing values over there. So I think with the help of this video, you may be learn how to calculate missing value in with the help of the binomial expansion method when one frequency is missing. When two frequencies is missing, we will discuss in the next video. So I think this video will be helpful for you to learn how to calculate missing frequency with the help of the binomial expansion method. Thank you.